The U.S. Marine Corps conducted successful joint test mission for XQ-58A, a highly autonomous low-cost tactical unmanned air vehicle. The XQ-58A Valkyrie will undergo 4 more planned test flights evaluating its effectiveness in autonomous electronic support to crewed platforms like F-35B Lightning II. Additionally, it will explore the potential for AI-enabled platforms to augment combat air patrols. Sweden's defense giant Saab announced a mega contract with Poland worth over $1 billion for supply of Carl-Gustaf M4 recoilless rifles, ammunition and training gear to bolster Poland's military capability. The Indian Navy commissioned the first squadron of its newly inducted MH-60 Seahawk multi-role choppers that is expected to significantly bolster its surveillance and combat capabilities. The MH-60 helicopters are designed for anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, search and rescue operations, thus enhancing maritime capabilities. Several Russian media reported the first confirmed destruction of U.S.-supplied high-mobility artillery rocket system used by the Ukrainian armed forces. According to Russian sources, the attack was carried out by the Iskander tactical missile system, resulting in the HIMARS launcher catching fire and missiles detonating.